Alright guys, welcome to an unboxing video here on Journal Elevators Canada. I just got home from the beach after looking at the new ramp they were installing for accessibility, and let's see where this came from. This came from the Canadian Elevator Contractors Association. So, let's see what we got. Ooh. We got a note here. It says, "Enjoy and keep up the good work on your elevator videos, Catherine." Thank you so much for sending me this, Catherine. I really appreciate you reaching out to my channel. And also, a huge shout out to my friend Tracy Schmitt for mentioning my channel to all you guys at the conference that she attended. So, if you want to check out Tracy, she's on Twitter, and I'll put a link to her Twitter feed in the description below. So we got a nice pin here. It's pretty nice. That looks like a button. And we got a little pop can holder, so that way if you're holding your pop and it's too cold, that'll keep it nice and cold, but on the outside it will feel warmer on your hands. And we have an official Canadian Elevator Contractor Association hat. I'll definitely be wearing this in the winter. So, I hope you enjoyed this brief unboxing video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And once again, Catherine, thank you so much for reaching out to my channel and sending me this. So, I'll definitely do a shout out for you in my next elevator video.